Hey, what's up guys? I hope you already seen a lot of cool updates launched by Figma in this config, and I hope you already seen auto layout tutorial which we have published. If not, then go ahead and watch it. This is again explaining what are the new changes which Figma has launched with the auto layout. And apart from the updates in the Figma itself, Figma has launched 3 other tools which are called as Figma Sites, Figma Buzz and Figma Make. Figma Make is still coming soon, but Figma Sites and Figma Buzz is already launched and is available as beta for all the professional and teams plans. So I tried it on the free version, but it is not there on the free version, but it is there on the paid version or the pro version, professional version. And today we're going to create a super cool site just using the Figma Sites, and let's see how it goes. So here I am on the Figma home screen. I'll just click on this create and you can see all other things here. So let's click on the site to create a Figma site. We can start with a blank site, or we can start with all awesome presets which Figma has given here. You can find a lot of presets. So I'll be starting with a blank site, and let's see what are the things which we can do with the Figma site. So when we open the Figma site, it starts with this draft where we have two default desktop and home breakpoints which are to create your responsive design. You can keep on adding more, but you can, let's say, add a tablet as well. And now you can see desktop, tablet and mobile breakpoint here. Custom is where you can define a custom breakpoint which can be a customized size. Let's say if you want to support a specific resolution which is not by default supported with the Figma site, you can create a custom breakpoint, and then you can make sure your design is working on all the resolutions. If you look at the interface, more or less it is same what Figma already has. You can see we can create frames, sections and web pages from here. And then embed is basically we can embed the HTML or the videos in an iframe, which is embedding tool which generally we use in the HTML. And then all other tools like we have in the Figma, rectangle line and all other drawing tools. And then we have paint tool and the pencil tool. Image stays as it is. You can import any images in the Figma. And then text and the comments, again actions, is similarly what we already have in the Figma. More or less the interface looks very same what we already have in the Figma. The only change is, as Figma itself says, when we preview this, it opens a HTML preview, not the standard Figma preview. That is what they have mentioned in the config. So let's start with the predefined blocks which Figma has, and then let's customize and let's see how we can publish it. So let's go to the insert here. You can see we have different pages or the blocks for the pages, then for the navigation, for the hero section, features and all other blocks. And we can create a library of the components which we can use as a block in the design. So I haven't created any library yet, but you can use your design system which you already created and you can insert it as a block, or alternatively you can just copy a design created in the Figma and paste it here, and Figma will automatically create a site version of it. But I'm going to create everything in the Figma sites. So let's start with the navigation bar. Let's simply add a navigation bar. It is pretty similar to what we already have, like web flows or framer. It is kind of the same tool where you can create the beautiful websites just with the visual editor and create drag and drop. Figma also is supporting CMS, but CMS is also coming soon. Once CMS comes, we can use this as a blogging site, or we can manage all the content in the CMS, and then we can publish a dynamic website as well. For now it is a static site. Okay, let's add a hero section, and okay, there are a lot of cool blocks for the hero section, but let's start with something simple. Okay, great. And now you can see when I'm adding a section in the one frame, it is automatically creating the views for the tablet and mobile. And I hope when we change the content, it works fine for all the other tools, all the other breakpoints as well. So let's try changing the content here. A new Figma site. Great, content is also updated, and ideally the style should be cascaded, but let's see what it does. Okay, it is also changing the styles in all other views as well. So if you change something, it is reflected in the other views as well. And then we have CTAs. If we don't want, we can hide them, we can delete them. You can just close the insert panel and you can look at all your Figma layers, which we already have. So let's hide this, and we only have a single CTA. And it is as simple as we create designs in the Figma, nothing fancy, nothing changes. So okay, and let's see some other sections. So let's add a features section. This looks good, simple cards. It takes some time to load the images because it loads the images on request, not everything is loaded by default. So but yeah, that is super cool. And let's see how we can publish the site. So now, as of now, this looks good, but let's see a preview first. Okay, let's try with a responsive version, and now you can see when I'm changing the width of my preview window, it is automatically making the design responsive, and that is super cool. Let's go back. Let's see about the interactions. Let's see. Okay, so you can add the links for the different pages. You can enter the page URL. If you have multiple pages, you can let's create a page. To create a page, we have to go here, and let's give it a name, about. Okay, and again, let's quickly have something from the about section, and let's add the tablet and mobile. Okay, now Figma has automatically created all these nice designs for us for the tablet and mobile. And let's quickly create a link here, and on click of this we should be going to the about page, and you can see when I'm clicking and dragging the interactions, it is automatically created the interaction from all other breakpoints, and we don't need to do it manually in each and every breakpoint. So that is cool. So this is still in beta version, this is still under development, and we would be seeing all other awesome updates soon probably, and we would be exploring this more further when we have more strong or the stable releases and more features working. But yeah, as of now, I guess this looks good. Let's see if this works as expected. Yes, this is working as expected. But yeah, I don't know how to add a back and forth navigation. I guess we need to add the navigation bar in the other page as well. So let's see if we can do that. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. And yes, it is working as simple as the auto layout which we add to the frames. Definitely we're going to explore this more further when we have more stable versions or more information about the features of Figma sites. But yeah, as of now, very first hands-on experience is super cool. This looks awesome. This is working as expected. This is giving the awesome features right away in the Figma. Let's see if we can publish this. So let's click on the publish. Okay, and it is asking for a name. Okay, test Figma site, publish may take few minutes. Okay, no worries. Okay, we can connect it to a domain. That is going to be a quite complicated process, so definitely I'll create a video on how to connect a domain to the Figma site. But as of now, I guess this looks cool. So for now, we can just copy this URL or open in a browser, and you can see our site is live here. So this looks super cool, guys. I hope Figma will publish more stable things in the site, but as of now this looks good, super cool. And you can add all the metadata for the SEO. So for example, site title, site description, which helps you for the uh, better search engine optimization. You can include favicon, social sharing images, and then custom code if you want to add any third party analytics like Microsoft Clarity or any other tools. You can simply add them as well. You can you can enter a Google Analytics ID as well. So you can just simply get a Google Analytics ID from the Google Analytics and paste it here, and then you can track the behavior of the users on the Google Analytics for the site, which is created in the Figma. So this looks awesome tool, and definitely this is going to take a lot of development efforts away from the front end team, and this is going to be very helpful. So designers can create the design and publish the sites themselves without relying on the dedicated development team just to create the websites. But definitely if you want to create very complex web applications where you need more and more complex features, where you want to connect your backend, your database, if you have any business logic involved, definitely that is not possible just with the Figma sites, at least as of now. But to create a simple static or a site with CMS, when CMS is there, a blogging site, then this is going to be super awesome feature. So yeah, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing. And guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, then do it right now, because if you're not doing that, then you are going to miss a lot of exciting notifications for all our future uploads. So yeah, and guys, if you are loving the content, then don't forget to like the video and write your feedback in the comment. If you have started using the Figma sites or not, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. Let's catch up in the next video.